think it's confusing enough, the set of facts that's being presented, that has to be presented in this case, that, again, especially seeing him on video, Michael, I don't see him testifying. But I'll come back to that because, Michael Jaafar, I want to ask you a question. Let's just assume, okay, he's buying shoes, if he's buying any clothes. To me, the next natural thought I have is, well, it must be that they're showing he replaced his clothes because they are bloody from committing the murder. But there's no evidence that we know of that any bloody clothes were found.
You have to take the shortest path from A to B. If you have the option of showing them 10 hours, but only one of those hours is productive, only show them that 1 hour. So, Judge Ashley, maybe that's what they're trying to do, but at the end of the day, I have to assume that these prosecutors and these investigators, after a lengthy investigation, in their best wisdom and judgment, they decided that this is the person who committed the crime, and they were looking at this evidence when they made that decision. So this must be important to them, and until I see a payoff, to me, it's still a little bit confusing. It might be a good payoff, but for now, it's a little bit confusing, but maybe that's what they're trying to prove.
Yeah, and Judge, you know, it's like we talked about sometimes in these trials, the same witness who introduces the video will tell you what's happening on the video, but sometimes not, because they're not the person that's responsible for that aspect of the case. Somebody else will be called to the stand to tell you what they bought or what the receipts say, things of that nature. So let's hope that that's coming up, because I agree with Jack. I want to know what he's doing in those stores.
I agree.
It's nice
completely.
to see him in it, but what is he buying? What is he doing? I think that would be helpful.